To be a qualified solar installer and a solar installation company, you have to have several licenses and the experience to qualify, to test, to get those licenses. We have a general contractor's license, an electrical license, and a NABCEP license. That stands for North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners. That's a nationally recognized license specifically for solar installation. That license requires at least 2 years experience and to sit and take a test to make sure that you understand the fundamentals of solar installation and design. Renewable Energy Design Group is NABCEP certified. We've had the NABCEP certification since 2009.